Whether it be for stairs or general safety, it's fairly straightforward to add railings to your Plant 3D model. Now I'm going ahead and taking the liberty of switching my model back to a 2D wireframe because I'm going to be looking for some endpoints to snap to, so I find it just makes it a little bit easier to draw, but you may feel free to draw in any environment that you wish. Now what I want to do first is I want to throw down a little bit of railing on these stairs that we just created. I'm going to go ahead and select these stairs, and I'm going to choose isolate object, and that's just going to put just the stairs out there for me to see. And I'm going to go to my railing tool, and you'll see I need just pretty much a starting point and a stopping point for it. So I'll go ahead and I'll get my endpoints, since I'll find that fairly easy to work with. Or if I wanted to run this in the middle, I could also do a midpoint. So I'll go ahead and put a midpoint in here. Let me zoom that in, make it, there we go. We have a midpoint. And let's get to the top of here, and we'll choose another midpoint. And if you look, that automatically created us a set of railing that's going up the stairs. Now perhaps these are not the type of stairs that we're looking for. We want to make some changes in there. So once again, you do have settings that you can choose whenever you build a set of railings. Let's go ahead down to the railing settings, and you'll see that we have a handrail height. Perhaps we want to just make that an even 4 feet there. And you want to change the first mid-rail height. Maybe instead of 1'8", we want to make that 1'6". And then maybe we have a requirement here that's going to say that we have to have 12 inches of kick plate. And right now we have pipe for the handrail, but we can change that. You don't have to have the pipe for the handrail. Maybe you want a piece of C-channel that's going to go in for that handrail. Okay, and you can also pick what do you want for your mid-rail, and what do you want for the post, and what do you want for the kick plate. I'm going to leave the kick plate alone, and I'll go ahead and I'm going to pick something rectangular for the post itself. I'll do OK for that. And I'm going to go ahead and take out my existing rail that I have there. I'm going to switch this back to wireframe just so we can grab endpoints a little bit easier. And then I'm going to kick my railing tool in, and I'm going to run this up the midpoint and zoom into here. Find that midpoint and zoom into this other area. And I'll go ahead and put this midpoint in. And now let's take a look at what we have. I'll go ahead and switch this back to a more realistic view. And now you can witness actually the changes that we made firsthand. And you can see how it's a little bit different from the original one we did. So you have several methods to be able to do that. And remember also, whenever you do a railing, you don't have to go up here to change it. You can also hit your settings from there as well.